Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now that some assembly has started to occur on the tractor, we can start tearing some more stuff apart. I'm real thrilled to do this too. I think it's going to be a complete pain. So let's get to it. I don't think I'm going to be able to get these off, but hopefully I can get it loose enough to get the hub off. Let's see what the little DeWalt's got here. Come on, feller. I don't think it's gonna do it. What do you think?
I don't know.
Well, it's not turning it yet, so I think I'm gonna go get the pipe.
Maybe you need to sweet talk it and take it out for supper.
It's a bolt.
Oh, I thought you were talking about me.
I took you out yesterday.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. You don't remember already? How women forget so quick. We were gone all day yesterday.
Okay, yeah, that did count as a date, even though it was a free meal.
Didn't have to take you. I could have went by myself.
Meow.
I don't have much faith in this either. I ain't got enough fat to make that turn. I think we're gonna have to heat it. I'm done sweet talking it. Let's let it know I mean business. It's talking back. Can you hear that? Mm-hmm. Quiet. Still no go. Well, guys, change of plans. Did some measuring. These hubs are actually probably pretty close to the right spot for 30-inch rows, but the rim and the cast center is not. So in order to give myself some more room to work on this and so stuff can get painted, I'm still going to separate the rim from the cast. This shouldn't go too bad. Too bad I didn't have something like a tool tray that I could put these in.
Oh my god, you have one.
She gets so worked up about that.
You just, use it for the intended purpose. I wouldn't have to get worked up. So,
They can't hear you. These tires can be pretty heavy, so always have a friend along to watch you get crushed.
too bad you don't have a friend.
There goes all them, huh? We're gonna have to figure out a better way to put this back on. It's gonna be all scratched up. Too bad I didn't have one of those little, pallet forks. I've been looking for one. Quit looking at me like that. Guys, you couldn't see it, but she was giving me one of those woman looks. It's coming slowly. Well, that ought to be nice having that in the way for a while. Well, let's see if this comes out. Nope. Did you think it would? Did you really think it would? This has to be moved. Breaker bar. What could possibly go wrong using this thing? Wow. I didn't think it would go that easy. Well, that's good. Half the wedge is out. Well, we no more than shut the camera off, and I gave it 2 more hits, and it went doing, and it's loose. Oh, it goes in real easy. Let's just take the wedge out. Maybe that'll work. Or not. I don't know. Never done this before. Come on, man. So that's what they look like. Just a wedge. There, that got it, huh? Now, just do that on the other side. All this heavy stuff, I tell you. Well, guys, I'm all tractored out for the day. Got this wheel moved and got the other wheel moved. And yes, this one went just as hard as the first one. I didn't even try to do the dual hub here because they're about the same spacing. I'm hoping I'm right when I measured that they should be already set right. And we just have to move these in the wheel. Gonna do some cleaning up on here next time probably. And then I'm gonna start looking inside some of these covers. Because looks like some stuff is missing in there. Probably can't see that. Hydraulic pump and stuff. I don't have much for lights kinda here, so I'll have to set something up, but yeah. I'm looking forward to getting this thing out of here, but I'm not really looking forward to all the work that has to be done yet. Because, yeah, it's missing a thing or two in here too. Thanks, guys. Join me next time. Take care and God bless. You want to run them?